Fall wedding season is upon us, and that means you have to put on a suit and take off your sweatpants, and sometimes that's a bummer. And sometimes your pants are way too long, and you don't even realize it until you get to the wedding. I've got 2 tricks for hemming pants. The first involves a trip to Walmart. The second, you don't even have to leave the hotel. The first step for both methods is you need to figure out how much you're taking off the bottom of the pants. So mark them, and then iron a crease into that spot. That's how you know where the bottom of your hem will be. Next, you need to take off some of that fabric. You want to leave about an inch. Make a quick call to the front desk. Ask if you can borrow a pair of scissors and if you can have a couple complimentary sewing kits. Get your iron out with the ironing board, turn your pants inside out, and you're going to iron that little hem about halfway up to where the crease is that you just made. Do this the whole way around each pant leg. Then fold it up the rest of the way so that the crease that you made is at the bottom and iron it again. Now, if you have a Walmart nearby, run over there and get a pack of this Heat Bond hem adhesive. This is a no-sew way to hem the bottom of your pants, and it's so easy to do. You want to get the 1/4 inch or the 1/2 inch, the smallest one that you probably can find, or just get a multi-pack and figure it out. Take some of that tape and lay it underneath the folded crease that you made and iron it as you go. Once it cools off, that sucker is stuck. You can go on your merry way and have a wonderful evening dancing with your date. If Walmart is not an option, get a complimentary sewing kit from the front desk. Load a needle with a thread that is close to your color of your pants, as close as you possibly can find. These kits usually come with safety pins, so use that to go all the way around your hem and secure it. Take your needle and go under that layer of crease that you made and pull it through. Go back through from the right side of the fabric just a teeny tiny bit. You're going to only grab like maybe 2 to 3 threads on this. Once you pull it through, you're going to push that needle through the tube of the crease of the inside of your hem. This is creating a blind stitch. You're going to do this the entire way around, okay? You go through to the front, you grab 2 or 3 threads, you push it back to the inside, like the wrong side of the pants, push it through the tube, and then keep going. Once you get the whole way around, tie 2 or 3 little knots and then trim your threads. Turn the pants right side out, take them over to your ironing board and give them a good press, and then kiss your brain because you just hemmed pants in a pinch. I'm super proud of you. Happy wedding season.